Hello everyone, this is NielsensTV2 of Denmark. Yes, today we are going to watch a video from Japan. Somebody posted a video, a very new video, and it says here, what a first class on an overnight train in Japan. This is a very interesting, that you can overnight in a train. And
is it the Shinkansen?
I don't know actually. So this is we have to find out if this is
the very quick train.
Okay, very interesting. So guys, if you're new to our channel, you're very much welcome to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you will be notified every time we have a new video. So let's get started. It looks also different, and also looks very nice, the design of the train. Wow, it's like a hotel. See? Wow, this is really good. First class, yeah. Imagine if you live in you're going to work, because my husband also takes train.
Yes, but it's like 1 hour, so.
But wow, this is amazing. It's like an hotel.
Yes.
Hotel in a train. Wow.
I wonder if a family of 3 could be in this room.
Yeah. Let us know, guys.
We can see maybe.
Yeah. I think you can. Just to sleep. Wow. Really? Wow. This is amazing. This is wow.
お待たせいたしました。サンライズ瀬戸号高松行きサンライズ出雲号出雲市行きまもなく発車いたします。ご乗車になりましてお待ちください。
Train is always late.
Yes,
I
just
know.
like here.
Yeah. Wow, but it's okay if you're late if you're having this kind of train.
Yes, I don't think you're in a hurry then.
寝台特急サンライズ瀬戸号およびサンライズ出雲号をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。この列車は寝台特急サンライズ瀬戸号高松行きサンライズ出雲号出雲市行きです。次は横浜です。横浜の次は熱海に停まります。
はい。失礼します。はい、ありがとうございます。
You have everything, yeah? Looks Okay, yeah. They also,
Mhm.
oh wow, like it's really like a hotel. Wow, this is really good. We would like to experience this
Yes,
when
but
we're
I
going
don't
to
think we
Japan.
can because there's only one bed. So
That's probably only for you.
yes,
Yeah, maybe. Is there a family room, guys?
it could be
For 3, you know?
probably.
Yeah, I'm sure there is.
Mhm.
Amenity bag, you know, for toothbrush or toothpaste,
Okay.
you know, it's like you're in the airplane, you know?
Mhm.
Oh my god, this is really good.
And Okayama. At Okayama, sunrise settle will be uncoupled from. If you notice any suspicious items or behavior, please notify staff.
You know, all these amenities, he get it from, you know, this train.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's like hotel in a train. Wow. Street colors also. Wow. Soup. No, soup. Shower card. Okay. Wow. Wow. This is, you know, this is the first time that I hear this kind of train. Do we have it here?
Shower in the train?
Yeah. No. Here in Europe, but you have this kind of rail train in, but not just to sleep.
Not anymore because it's just cheaper to go by plane and faster. So
it's only in Japan.
I think they were talking about getting this back on track, if I may say so. Put a train like this back in Europe. Of course, not only in Denmark because Denmark is too small.
Yeah. It would be nice, you know, to travel and long travel and have this kind of, you know, it's just in the train and this kind of, wow. I would love it. Don't close it. Is this also provided?
I think he had it when he got on.
Okay. I think it's also provided because he's taking a video.
Could be.
So yummy. Wow. Luxus, huh?
ここで何点かのお願いがございます。お休みの妨げになりますような大きな声での話はご遠慮ください。特にラウンジ内でのお話にはご配慮をお願いいたします。
Okay, lights, alarm. Okay.
Heater.
Radio also? Wow! Amazing! Scientists live.
Yes, I think that would happen to me also.
Yeah. You know, this guy who posts this video, wow, this is really good because, you know, this is only in Japan, I think.
Yeah, also good for tourists.
Good for us tourists if you want to travel to Japan and try this one, and we have an idea that how it works and and wow.
Well, of course, you might have shown how he bought the ticket and what it costed also.
Yeah, we would love to know the cost of the ticket. I mean the price of the ticket. See, it's like a hotel. Wow. This is wow. See? Oh, this is the price. Both. Okay. Room singles, it's $71.8. How much is it?
$72.
It's 600, 700. And birth charge. What's that?
Birth charge.
So it's not that, you know, for one night, it's not that
this is also first class.
Yeah, first class. So guys, let's continue. Thank you for this price. This is the most standard. Oh, the standard. It also looks good. Single twin. Oh, okay. This is the price for the twin.
And then it's
$89.60.
$90 almost.
Economy.
It's only $5.
It's only $5, you know. It's very cheap. I think it looks.
Nobi Saseki.
Yeah, but look okay. If you're not alone,
really
if you're just too, yeah. I think just bed. Oh my god, this is really good. You have also a place where you can chill. This is amazing. Wow. Okay. What a great video. I could see that he get a lot of views. This is the first video. I think this is the first video that from Japan that shows this kind of, and this is really good. This is really good. Yes,
shower room in a train. Okay.
Yeah. Wow. 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 It's time to shower. all the technology. Now you can take a shower.
What does that mean? We have 6 minutes.
However, shower is available only 6 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, you're in a hurry. A bit quick, okay. It's also nice that you can see, you know, how much time left.
Just buy 2 cards.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Oh. Wow, this is wow. And also this
Hair dryer.
hair dryer. You know, though we didn't see him, you know, this guy, but you know, we're amazed all this stuff he's showing to us. Hit the alarm clock, okay.
Oh, he's only going to sleep 3 hours.
I think I can't sleep. I'll just.
No, yeah, I don't think he's getting much sleep either.
Yeah. I think you will be amazed, you know, first time. Good night.
Yes, so he only slept for 3 hours.
Get ready to get off the train.
Okay.
Oh, and the color is pink. Yeah, we enjoy. That was it. I think that was it. We enjoyed the ride, though we're not in this in the train. But wow, this is a very good video, and wow, hotel in a train.
Yes.
Only in Japan.
Interesting.
Very interesting. We would love to experience this one day.
Maybe.
Wow, and thank you for sharing this video to us. Very interesting.
Arigato.
Yes. So guys, thank you for watching our reaction video. I hope you like our reaction video. If you have any suggestions which video to react on from Japan, we would love to see more about Japan. So
Especially now when the Olympics are coming.
yeah. Oh yeah, Olympics is coming. And don't forget to thumbs up. Bye bye for now, and see you to our next video. And don't forget to write the comments and suggestions. Bye bye.
Sayonara.